guys, myself Muhammad Tarik advocate. Today in this video I would like to tell about of affidavit, type of affidavit, and what is an affidavit, and where is affidavit use of affidavit, where you can use, and how is drafting affidavit, and who verified a affidavit and who attached a affidavit, type of affidavit. First of all, I would like to tell you about of affidavit. Affidavit is a written declarations made by a person to do or not to do any work is called affidavit. And this declarations is made before two person who notary officers and oath commissioners. Like a type of affidavit, two type of affidavit. Like first affidavit, if you use affidavit like a government organizations and private organizations. So like you use your affidavit government organization, like you need your birth certificate and death certificate and ration card and anything else, but you will take like a affidavit, you use affidavit, and as well as you will pay stamp duty fee with the affidavit. Like you can use like an affidavit like a 10 rupees stamps with a affidavit, and after that verify your advocate and attest a notary advocate, not a oath commissioners, attested on your by the notary advocate. And like if you are using like a private organization like bank and private company and others, so use like a affidavit by the attested notary advocate. But if you are using affidavit in the court, like court proceedings, so after drafting a affidavit, like use a ticket court fees, like a court fees like a ticket, and after and verify your advocate and attested by the oath commissioners. Like in you use in your court, like if you are like I give an example, like you are filing a civil suit, but plant after complete your plant, as well as you will file a affidavit, and that affidavit attested by the oath commissioners, and at what time you are using like a ticket. And like in court proceedings, if you are filing like a civil suit and the family court in the suit, and you are, and in a criminal case, if you are moving a applications and any applications, but in that affidavit you attested by the oath commissioner, not a notary advocate. And like in court, like in a civil suit and a family suits, give a like a witness affidavit. After that, like a plaintiff file a witness affidavit and say a affidavit, like a cross examination a defendant advocate, and defendant advocate see the affidavit and put up the question answer and on affidavit. But affidavit is not a part of evidence. Affidavit is not a part of evidence. You file the affidavit in a civil case and criminal case anywhere, but affidavit not a part of evidence. But if you are filing a false affidavit, fake affidavit in the court, so court give pass the order against you, because if you are filing a fake and false affidavit in front of the in the court, that court do the proceeding against you, like before implementations new law, that times like section 340 CRPC and CRPC, and like IPC section 193 should and court give the orders a police and police written a FIR against you because of you are filing fake affidavit in the court, and at that situations like a imprisonment 7 years section 193. But after pass new law 2000 like 1 July 2007, so use of sections 379B NS भारतीय न्याय सुरक्षा संहिता and section 229 भारतीय न्याय संहिता you will punish for a false evidence filed in the court, and at that time if you prove the court because you file a false affidavit file in the court, so you will be punished imprisonment of 7 years, about of 7 years, as well as with fine. But like you without court proceeding use a stamp with affidavit, but if you are using in the court proceeding affidavit, no use stamp by the, and use a ticket like a court fees and stick on the applications like a simple paper. After that you file in the court. Okay, if you have any question related in the affidavit in your mind, so you can comment in this video, and you can ask any questions in your mind is going on. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.